So what I know? I can't link so she can't live alone now. Get a man, she no member. Talk on the veranda. Talk because she want the what you want?
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If at the first time you check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. Dancehall artist Bencil clickstar. Find this song. Jalo star, I don't know. The rhythm bad and the song bad. All of me know when me hear this song, me just want dance. You know what I mean? Just do some crazy things. I'm matter of fact, you know, Bencil clickstar have a challenge I go start the 8th of this month. So people, if you think you can find a dance for that song, yeah, do something crazy for that song, yeah, just submit your videos to Dancehall Rebel official Instagram page. So that's at the official Rebel. People, over $700 in cash and prizes to be won. So make sure you find one little dance for the You can find this song at Audio Mack because the song is not yet released on YouTube, but it is on Audio Mack. Alright? So me gonna leave a link in the description where you can go over there and Bencil soon drop the official music video. A matter of fact, me have a small snippet where me I go share with you now.
Because she want the what you want?
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So people, the gun seized from Tommy Lee Sparta is linked to 2 murders. Jano Star. The people really plan to put what Tommy Lee, you know, really. Why I know this article come up and why I know the gun them linked to 2 murder. When Tommy Lee has been in jail since when? December. Yeah, since December Tommy Lee they are jail and them never link him to a murder, you know, but now that's him get sentenced. Them a try put 2 murder charge on him. Anyway, let me read this article. Nationwide News understands that a gun seized from a high-profile and incarcerated dancehall entertainer Tommy Lee Sparta has been linked to at least 2 murders. The firearm has been also been connected to 3 cases of shooting with intent. High-level law enforcement source told our news center that projectile and cartridge casing recovered from the scene of the murders and shootings have been linked to the illegal firearms seized from Tommy Lee's waistband. Let me explain what all of that mean. It's a possibility that Tommy Lee can go spend 20 years down a prison for these murders. No, this is not something I wish for, you know, but what we say is a trend. It's definitely a trend. Remember when Vybz Kartel get locked up, you know? Vybz Kartel get locked up for one spliff. One ganja joint. That's what them call it, a foreign. And then them start put murder upon him, him escape some until the one murder where upon him was stuck, which is the lizard case, was stuck upon him and like him couldn't get rid of it. And that one, him get sentenced for. So me said that he said this. Just like how in the beginning, Cartel just got jail for 1 spliff. So it look like in the beginning, Tommy Lee just got jail for 1 gun. Me I hope some wrong. And people might have wondered, Chaddy, why you said 20? Look on it no man. Cartel, 35. Sean Stamp, 20 something. Movado, son the other day, 20 something. So in my eyes is that if you're a dancehall artist or you're affiliated with a dancehall artist, it's like you automatically get 20 now. Jano Star. Hope and pray that everything work out for Tommy Lee. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section below.
Well, a family, I tell them said this is not a game. A lot of things we do, me just do it to entertain. But there's a time to die and there's a time to live again. Now it's time to live.
People, Tommy Lee is behind the bars, but him can't enjoy one of probably his most greatest achievement. Which achievement may I talk? Tommy Lee is on a track with 14 other artists. Yes, you hear me good. One track, 14 artists. This song is called Brighter Days and it's produced by Silverbirds Music. Chamba, big up yourself. Me no know how you do it. Put 15 artists on one track. John was star. And the 15 artists where the man put on the track, you know, and some DB artists, you know, I be a big name artist on the track, you know. So much people in this track so that the names of the artists cannot hold in the title on the YouTube video. So them have to put Brighter Days featuring Tommy Lee Sparta, Julian Marley, Bounty Killer, Javilani, and Egyptian Jaja. So people, let me tell you the rest of artists them, because some top name artists still left out of the headline. You have Anthony B, Dre Island, Maestro Dan, Kiprich, Turbulence, Was, ZJ Liquid, Leah, Sajay, and Mr. Pike. People, a history this in a dancehall. It's only a sad thing that Tommy Lee now really their road to see the glory of this song and where they are going to come out of this song. People, big history. I'm hope Andrew won't list a list of songs like these and no say and not just AK-47 the dancehall artists them sing about. No, them do good music, but sometimes when the good music do, the public don't accept it. The public rather to accept the bad music. So you need to figure out why is the public keep on accepting that bad music, why then gravitate to that bad music there instead of the good one. A social issues, man. Stop blame the music. Anyway, Brighter Days. Listen to the Javilani part. I think I like the most.
Missy Christian live a life of prayer. Missy little juvenile with a 9 sprayer. Missy man go prison and no survivor there. Yo, the youth them need a brighter day.
People, be a part of history. Go and go listen to this song. Stream the song. A matter of fact, buy the song. Apple Music they are Jamaica now. Nobody now have no problem for buy a song or stream a song Spotify there. You know what I mean? Make we push this song. I'm gonna challenge Uno. Zine, just like how the Prime Minister claim like say, yo, gun song this and gun song is that and re. Make we put a bag of emphasis on that song ya. Make we put a bag of emphasis on that song ya. Zine, so everybody who want gun violence to stop, make sure you go listen to this song. Zine, this song is entitled Brighter Day and it is on Tommy Lee's Vivo. Alright? Silverbirds Records. Chamba, big up yourself. Me no know how you do it. If you put 15 artists on one track. Cha. Anyway, still, the last topic we are going to look at is dancehall artist Devin the Dakta confront Chronixx producer Teflon from Zinc Fence. What me say? Wicked people. Yo, John was star. The wicked are forward from far. I'm sure that scratch me. But me not tell a lie still. Him page him wicked. And him page him neat and precise. I like the way how Devin the Dakta do it. Devin the Dakta do it the professional way. You see me? So Devin the Dakta side something go on last year. And he come like say it won't happen again. Wearing Teflon have a rhythm, you know. Him have one of them freestyle type rhythm there. And him a tell people say, yo, forward come vice pan him rhythm. Apparently from last year, Devin the Dakta send Teflon the song, but Teflon must scroll past it or give him the blue tick, you know, just read and don't reply. So this year Teflon have a next rhythm and he might do the same challenge freestyle something there. So Devin the Dakta just page him in the freestyle. People, Devin the Dakta uploaded this video with the caption at Zinc Fence Teflon, me rate you still, but angry face. Hashtag link in bio. Hashtag outside redeem curfew edition. Hashtag just for fun. People, listen what Devin the Dakta had to say to Chronixx producer Teflon from Zinc Fence.
Last year, my voice, my freestyle, you know, post it. And me sure say it did bad, yeah man, me know it. Teflon, you cannot tell me say you never see it, cause me and you did a DM. You want me show it? Not say nothing. Me I jump in a me Jeep and head to Papi. The gas light, come on, hold on. Me I make a stop in a text it. Yeah, babe, put $1,000 gas in, yeah. But just a circle up at the farm. Me I bring back that thing. Reach a skyline, hop out of the van. Glock out in my hand, yeah, that's what me done. I would have Jane Maggie's my say you bad, me like your song. She say really, me say yeah, but me I go trim your rasta man. So me kick off the door, yeah. I would that in a rope, sir. Me swear report to Jane, me put the Glock back in my holster cause me rate him. But when me look and see the pose, and me just grab him down my locks and tie him up with piece of rope, sir. Well on. Rasta you can't cook. Anyway, blindfold him. Cause me know why I'm look. Pop out my gold angle scissors with the tall foot and I wonder if me fi give my Richie Stevens or a Jack Rooks hairstyle. You know what? I give my ponytail. Matter rapper, go make a rhythm, call it Holy Grail.
I hope when you listen to that freestyle good and understand and spot out the disses them, you know. Because even Protege get a small diss. When him say him spot Protege in the robe, people, he might talk about this photograph, you know. When that photograph was posted to Protege official Instagram page, a lot of people have a lot of stuff to talk about it. But we're not even going to expound on it. So if you have something to say about this photograph, you can just leave it in the comment section. But yeah, when Devin the Dakta said him running at the house and see Protege in a robe, this is the pic he was referring to. In the end, Zinc Fence did post back Devin the Dakta freestyle. But him not just post it so. No, him have it this back Devin the Dakta wicked. So Zinc Fence post Devin the Dakta freestyle in one slide. And in the next slide, Devin the Dakta wear wig. Which this photograph was from a music video where Devin the Dakta did do dress up like a girl. So Zinc Fence post that with the caption, should I know you would do something like this? Girl alone carry feelings. With some laugh face. Hashtag just for fun. Then him said this bado, fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji. So I guess him talk about the freestyle when him said bad. And then Zinc Fence go ahead and also stated this in the same post. Keep the jokes coming. Music need entertainment business. So I guess this was just for fun. Hope nobody not take it out of context. You see me? Me respect Devin the Dakta and most definitely me respect Zinc Fence. So people, that's it for today. Let me know in the comment section what you think about all of the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. And as I say people, comment man. Comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about these topics. Let me know what you think about that song there. And remember, Bencil have the challenge go on. Alright? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. I'm gone.